Hopefully this mic picks up decently with the wind and under my shirt. But we are back with another video. Just going to bring you guys along with the troubles that I have with the 5th gen Camaro. So this will be my fourth time, I think fourth time replacing the axle on the driver's side rear, and the first time replacing the axle, CV axle, on the passenger side. First time it happened, it was in Vegas, broke down on the strip. That was fun in and of itself. But I have all new axles, so we're going to go to my roommate's or friend's shop, Alan's shop that he works at, and hopefully replace these that are not going to be crazy, and then also do an oil change that's just much needed on the car. So gonna bring you guys along with the venture, record it, see where things take us, and go from there. Yeah. Alright, wheel is off. I gotta take off, or disconnect the bag, sway bar, actual axle nut. But here's the reason why. You can't really see when I'm showing it underneath the car, but you can see from here, that's all grease from the axle itself. So, definitely bad. And this is the good side. This is the driver's side that I've already replaced. They just tear like crazy. So, it's the driver's side. Passenger side's worse, but I'm familiar with this side, so I'm just gonna knock it out. I have less room over there, so. But you can see up in there. Well, maybe not, because there's not enough light. But definitely plenty of grease everywhere. Maybe here. Just gets flung literally everywhere. So. One thing I'm definitely going to do is try and make sure my axle seal is cleaned up a little bit, nothing inside there, it's not torn. This one was just replaced not too long ago, so I'm not too worried about it. The other side we're definitely going to replace. And then I'm going to clean up all this junk. Just okay. Time is 7:30. So about 45 to 50 minutes maybe to take out the old axle, clean it up, put in the new one. So the new one is fully in, locked down. Time just gotta put on the wheel and then hop to the other side. But other than that, we're all in. Just gonna double check everything one more time. I never took out the bag, I just compressed the air. So thank goodness, because that's a pain in the butt. And then my e-brake, we looked at my e-brake too. My e-brake is completely shattered. So I'm not going to worry about adjusting them because it was kind of loose, but now it's just completely shattered. I'm going to just tighten this up and then we'll be good to go. And that's what a clean variant wheel should look like. This one's actually not near as bad as I was expecting. But it's definitely still bad.